Introducing aPriori.
And I'm here with Mike Perrott from Flex. Tell us a little bit about what you do there at Flex.
So I run the global quote team for Flex, which is a $27 billion company. We've got sites, 70 different sites around the world, all the way through Asia, North America, South America, and Eastern and Western Europe. So we're all over.
Could you tell me how you leverage aPriori as part of your pricing
So
process?
it's a good question. So for us, first of all, a little bit about what we do. So I've got a large team that we quote all new business for printed circuit boards, for system integration, metals and plastics. So pretty much everything all of the offerings we do. So business comes in from all of our sales guys globally, and they come to my team and they look at us to transform this opportunity into a pricing model that we can go back to the customers and start negotiating, right? So we've got two parts to it. One part is raw materials and one part is transformation, right? Yep. So I own transformation. The raw materials is done by global materials, commodity management and supply chain guys. So we'll take a bill of material and break it down into what we need to make versus what we need to buy. And we'll send the buy stuff to our supply chain guys. And then the make part is where we come in and figure out how we're going to manufacture this. Cost from a labor point of view, from indirect labor, from overheads, depreciation, facilities, and all these things. So from the point of view of aPriori allows us to do complex products like metal fabrication products, big racks, and plastic parts, from precision plastics up to general plastics, we call it. And we'll take the customer 3D model, import it right into aPriori, and allow the technology to give us very precise bills of material structures immediately, which is before we had to do this manually, right? Going to 2D models and pulling the information out of it.
And the time difference to do that.
Unbelievable. Yeah, exactly. It's 30 seconds versus 3 days, right? To go and pull a bill of material, and that's huge saving for us. And it's precise, so we can send our make and buy analysis immediately, and off it goes to the supply chain. And meanwhile, the engineering team are then doing the transformation modeling in aPriori, and then they re-import that costed BOM back in afterwards from the supply chain team. So it all gets married together in aPriori, and then ultimately the resulting information, cost information, is sent to our pricing model, which is just linked through SQL Server to aPriori, and then we can build our pricing models. You combine products together. We can look at the full BOM structure, look at the cost of the parts of everything we make and buy together, and it allows us, real accurate views of everything because it's 3D based, right? It's geometry based. It's not based on someone's subjective view of things. It's actual geometry. So that's a huge gain. And also, because we're using aPriori, we've got a complete digital history of every quote we've ever done since 2018. Every single product, every single part. So, which is really, really cool. And that was before. It was all manually done, stored in different databases, stored in Excel files. It was just a mess, right? So now we've got a digital record of everything we've ever done since day one, and we can see the trends and we can see where it's going. So it's pretty powerful tool to have.
aPriori, making profitability and sustainability a reality for a better world.